Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Camille Chanel. If this is your first time, hello, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I am doing a wash and go in shower styling routine using Mielle Mongongo Oil products. Mangongo. Okay, for everybody who knows me, you know I love a good pre-shampoo. And the Mangongo Oil line by Mielle has a pre-shampoo, and I just couldn't say no. So right now what you're seeing is I am actually in between my conditioner and getting under the dryer. While you all check out how I got to this point here, I'm gonna get under the dryer and we're gonna see how these luscious curls come out in today's video. Jumping right in with the Mangongo Oil pre-shampoo treatment. It's simple enough to use. I smother it all over my hair. I make sure it's soaked and then I comb it through. Once my hair is combed out, I jump right into the shampoo, no rinsing. This is the Mangongo Oil Exfoliating Shampoo. It didn't feel like it had any little beads in it. It lathered up really well. Whether or not it actually exfoliated my scalp, I don't know. I didn't feel any kind of debris scrubbing going on, but that does not mean that I did not indeed scrub my head. Moving on to my conditioner, this is the hydrating conditioner. I like this conditioner. It has a really light smell, nothing too heavy, very clean. It has a moisturizing feel to it. I love combing my conditioners through my hair, in which this conditioner really allows me to do that. It has a great amount of slip. I'm gonna throw my plastic cap on. We're gonna let my hair soak this up. Sometime later, I'm ready to rinse and style. So I'm just gonna get under this shower here, get all this conditioner out. When you're wet styling your hair, water is your bestie. I added quite a bit of water throughout this styling process. I did the process of styling by applying just my gel. I didn't want to weigh my hair down with a ton of product. I really just wanted to see how this styling gel did on its own, which you guys will see here momentarily. The gel itself has a lot of slip as well, so this, in terms of slip and not ripping my hair out, this was a really great, easy process. The Mielle styling gel has a very conditioning feel to it, so I do not think that this gel is going to dry out my hair. So I'm trying to apply it really close to my roots and brush it through to try to get that styling gel saturated on every strand, every curl. But I tell you what, as I'm watching this video, I really do see like a hard line in the difference in my hair textures from chemically treated to the natural. It's getting so obvious as time goes on that I really need to go ahead and get rid of those last pieces of chemically straightened hair. I think it's time, fam. It's really apparent in the hair texture difference when I pass the brush through. I can see that those curls go from very tight and close together to then very stringy, especially halfway through. So I really think it's time to go ahead, suck it up, and cut my hair. That's really how I feel while I'm watching this playback. But in terms of the rest of this styling process, I'm going to finish up going through here with my styling gel, my water, and finger curling and smoothing my hair, and then we will go jump under the dryer. My hair isn't all the way dry. It's actually very damp, especially like in the middle, thicker parts of the crown of my head. That area never dries well, and even in my little half weird dryer, it just doesn't work out. I was a little lazy on my application, but with other products, that application style doesn't fail me, so I'm kind of like, maybe this wasn't the best product for my hair. But overall, this is just an okay wash day routine. My hair doesn't look crazy like it did before I jumped in the shower, so this is definitely good enough to just be around the house. I ain't got nothing going on. Not like coronavirus is still ruining plans, but I kind of liked being locked up in the house, and now I'm a homebody or a hermit. Anyway, fam, thanks for spending this time with me today and trying out Mielle Mongongo Oil products. It was quite fun, just as much fun to say as it was to do. Give this product a try. Let me know how you like it. Comment down below, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye.